bhakti is a infection. It's a transmission. It's not a knowledge. And for infection, you need a infectious person who can give you this infection. It can never gone by any tricks or books. Bhakti cannot happen by tricks. Bhakti enlightenment can happen by only Bhagavad Kripa. Mahapurush, they call it the great man. So Guru is the place where you are cultivating. So this infection can spread fast in you. So today we are continuing the book Narad Bhakti Sutra. Sutra number 37. Lokepi Bhagavat Gun Shravan Kirtanat. From listening to and singing of the attribute and glories of Lord, even while engaged in the ordinary activity of life in the world. Here is a one misunderstanding, and I have to clear it. People understand you have to remember God. How they saying? Singing and listening is God by doing all activity of your common life. It's like you are open a shop and put a song, Jai Hanuman Jana Gun Sagar, and you think, oh, I am doing bhakti. It's misunderstanding can happen like that. That during the activity of the life in the world, you have to remember His glory. But it can be missing out. Listen and sing the glory of Lord. You see, everything of life is happening as a Leela of Him. Any activity is happening is His Leela. And then you see the magic. That's what Kabir is saying. Only God comes as my customer. Up to now, no customer has come to me to buy my clothes. Only God has come. And I am selling my all clothes to only Ram. I never sell any cloth to anybody else. So when you Lokepi Bhagavat Gun Shravana Kirtanat, all time, everything is His glory. Not listening His song, Paar Kara De, oh Maya Mujhko Paar Kara De, and making your all thing, okay, by gunning I will do listen, so God will give me something. It's not Kirtan. When you are just glorifying everywhere. Let me sing one song of mine. Because दिल में उसी की खुशबू, आंखों में उसी की रोशनी, उसके नशे से नींद आती, सुबह उसी की ताजगी, वही रहे बस वही रहे, इतनी मेरी सुन्नत है, मेरी पोटली में जन्नत है, मेरी पोटली में जन्नत है. दिल में उसी की खुशबू, आंखों में उसी की रोशनी. In my heart only one fragrance, His fragrance. In my eyes only His light. दिल में उसी की खुशबू, आंखों में उसी की रोशनी, और उसके नशे से नींद आती. When I sleep, because it is His intoxication, so I sleep. It is His freshness, so I wake up. I wake up by Him. I sleep in every activity of life. Just His. You don't need to do any ritual if you arrive here. First you start from ritual, but then slowly you should come here. वही रहे, बस वही रहे, इतनी मेरी सुन्नत है. Sunnat means the rituals. Just I can remember Him all time. It is the only ritual I am doing. Let me say again this poetry. दिल में उसी की खुशबू, आंखों में उसी की रोशनी, उसके नशे से नींद आती, सुबह उसी की ताजगी, वही रहे बस वही रहे, इतनी मेरी सुन्नत है, मेरी पोटली में जन्नत है, मेरी पोटली में जन्नत है. When you are in this state, that Narad is talking about. One more share, okay? ये क्या हो गया है मुझे रिंद, हर चीज बस तुम्हारी ही याद दिलाती है. If you listen like a shayar, then it's a shayari, but it's saying that whatever I see, when you see when you fell in love, everything is reminding him. Any movie, when you fell in love, when I fell in love, not you, I don't know. I fell in love. Every actress is like Vidyotama. Every actress, her eyes are like Vidyotama. You became intoxicated love by God. Everything reminds, oh, this beautiful flower. Oh, wow, only God can do it. Oh, that's what Muhammad says. You need evidence. After this star and flower, you need more evidence of God. You're asking God exists or not. How much evidence you need more? But people, but scientific, say, no. Color is this, vibration is light, and this and this. Nothing God happening, everything because of the law. But what is the law? Law is not the God. And when you come with this bhakti, and every flower and everything will remind him. When your lover, remind him. Not anything remind your lover. When your lover, remind him. Or his, or her, or them, or their, or not LGBTQ plus here. Not them, okay? Not his, not her, okay? Them. Me too will come. Why? Only he. She. Okay? When everything reminds she, okay? Now happy. One more shayari, okay? Because there's nothing to say. What else you can say by this line? Only poetry. रदीफ हो गए हो मेरे जिंदगी के तुम. Radif, you want understand? Radif means the rhymes. In a shairi, everything is a rhyme. तुम खाते हो तो जाते हो. When I'm singing, then ringing. Not the rhymes. So you became rhymes of my life. रदीफ हो गए हो मेरे जिंदगी के तुम. सारी बातें बस तुम पर ही खत्म होती. You are rhymes of my life. My all talk end at you. That's why whatever you talk here, I will take there. You talk about psychology, I will talk about the God. Through psychology. रदीफ हो गए हो मेरे जिंदगी के तुम. सारी बातें बस तुम पर ही खत्म होती. Day, night, you just remember seeing anything, and you are just seeing him. No holiday, zero holiday of life. You know, the holiday is the idea is only by employees. You think Mukesh Ambani has a holiday? Holiday means you are doing something as a compromise. Then you need a holiday. When you love something, you don't need any holiday. Just think one day, Earth says, today I need a holiday. Enough revolving, yaar. I am done, yaar. Every day, every time. Today I want to rest. We all will be in rest, in peace. No holiday. 24 hours, 365 days work is bhakti. Or joy, 24 hours joy, or 24 hours ritual, sunnat, you have to do it. You have to do activity up to it became your lifestyle. What now? What Vajrayana was saying. If you do something for 400 times, it became your neurosystem and everything. Eh? Synapse. A new word. Synapse, okay? You know the synapse word? It's a new word. So it became synapse. Bhakti should be your synapse. Just check when you wake up in the morning, what is your first thought? It can be bhakti. Oh, again, today morning. Wow. First you have to do a ritual like that. Morning wake up, remember to thank you, gratitude. In starting, only 400 days. And seeing everything with eyes of love. Connect your eyes to your heart. Up to now, our eyes are connected to our lust, our a lusty man see. Any girl cannot be missed by his eyes. God cannot be missed by your eyes, by any flower. You will come in any form, I will recognize you. There is a story of Sai Baba. Very beautiful story. One person was asking Sai Baba to come to my home every day. Please come. Every day he was saying, please come to my home to eat food. And say, okay, next Saturday I'm coming. And next Saturday he was waiting, he made food. And one dog came in afternoon and he said, but today Sai Baba is coming. And he waited up to evening. Sai Baba did not come. Then he went to Sai Baba that you have not come. He said, I came in form of dog. You could not recognize me. What can I do? So when your eyes are so sharp and you have cultivated bhakti that much that every move of this wind, our sun, our light, our farmhouse, our child, you cannot miss that behind this one is moving. His is doing his lila through everywhere. It was hard for me, but I tell you, when war happening, then take time to me that this war is his lila. Up to now I'm feeling bad, but when I lie down and remember, oh, it is his lila. I don't know what is happening. I don't know. Yeah, love. Day, night. And why saying listening and singing? Because listening is the most passive activity a human can do. What do you need to do for listening? Nothing. Most passive. By eyes, it will blink, break. But by listening, it cannot be break. Even you are sleeping, you are listening. You don't know. Sometimes you see what outside is happening, your inside all dreams are made by outside sound. Can you know it? Sound is working that time also. So listening is the most effortless and long-lasting activity you can do. And whenever you feel something good, you close your eyes. When you really like a food, you say, wow, very good food. But when you really like, you put it on, you close your eyes. When you are in love, when you are really doing good sex, you close your eyes. Open eye sex is only ego sex. See, but when you really enjoy sex, you close your eyes. Every great joy of life, you close your eyes. Ears are open. That's why I'm saying. Whole Japuji, Guru Nanak Dev saying, listen. Suniye. Whole Japuji. I said, anything else, Bhagwan? I said, no, suniye. I said, Guru Nanak Dev Maharaj, kuch to yaar, anything else, some yoga, prana, do breathing. I said, no, suniye. I said, okay, then Guru Nanak Dev Ji Maharaj. Now, other sutras to take or not. I want to cover so many things, but I have to take. Can I continue the book? Okay. मुख्यस्तु महत कृपैव भगवत कृपाले श्रद्धा, but it can obtain what this state, all time girl is, but it is obtained mainly by effort of a great man or through a slightly measure of grace of God. It happened mainly by effort of a great man, Guru you can call, and slightly measure of divine grace. Slightly. Grace is this much. Guru is that much. It's written clearly. Bhagavat Kripale, but you don't know Sanskrit. Ha! It's only I know. So how can I tell you this is written? But it's written that grace of Guru is here. You know why? Because bhakti is an infection. What I'm talking now, maybe you don't understand. That's why I want to continue this book. Even you understand or not. Bhakti is an infection. Slowly. Classical music. First time you don't like it. Why? But if you listen 10 days, then one day you will be on a scooty and you say, okay, gone inside you. Gone. You be with me. I sing only 5 songs. All time. First time you don't like it. Then I'm listening. I sit on a scooty and people behind me is singing the same song. Dagar chalat jed sham zagiri. I stop and now he is singing. Same song. Because all great thing is an infection. It's a transmission. It's not a knowledge. It's not a nothing. It's just infection. And for infection, you need an infectious person who can give you this infection. It can never gone by any tricks or books. It cannot happen by tricks. Bhakti cannot happen by tricks. Maybe enlightenment by yoga and tattva can happen. But this bhakti enlightenment can happen by only Bhagavad Kripa. Mahapurush, they call it the great man. Only by Mahapurush it can happen. One person writer, one शायरी, then I want to continue. कभी कभी यह सोच कर मैं सहम जाता हूं, कभी कभी मैं यह सोच कर सहम जाता हूं कि तुमसे ना मिला होता तो मेरा क्या होता. Sometimes I feel shaky by just remember it that if I have not met to you, so what happened to me? If that Ram Jhula day, if I have missed Muji, that much grace works, that you met your master. And what is grace? I wrote the definition of grace, written by Maitreya, okay? Grace is opening the gate of God by getting eligibility by completing your dharma. When you complete your dharma, then you get the eligibility that God can open the door for you. That is grace. And dharma is definitions, okay? Dharma is allotted karma for liberation. When you are doing your dharma, and then God open, okay, now you are eligible. Jesus Christ said that God is a fisherman. He throw the net and take the all fish. You are ready, then you take it in. When you are not ready, go back in the pond. Only big fish taken. So big fish is a grace. God can eat you proper way. So that's why I'm starting life coach. How to make fish in the pond fast grow, so I can eat him fast. So, Nala, so Bhagavat, when you meet a great person, it's an infection. You have to love him. You have to listen him. And same, only poetry, people come here in Sangha, say, yaar, they all are always talking about you so much. Baba, I love you. Baba, you, oh my God, Baba, you are sitting like that. Oh my God, oh my Baba. They are cultivating bhakti with me. Who will give you chance to cultivate? So Guru is the place where you are cultivating. First thing, you find a master. Then you can really surrender to him. Give your life. So this infection can spread fast in you.